This is Disney by Shinedown. I got a candle and I've got a room. I live in a hallway with no doors and no and the windowsill they all were found. It's such a complete within the doorway without a sound. Someone save me if you will and take away all these tales and please defend me if you can from the best of me and the wasteland. How did I get here? And what went wrong? Couldn't handle forgiveness. Now I'm far beyond gone. And I can hardly remember the look of my own eyes. How can I love this? A life so dishonest, it made me compromise. Someone save me if you will, and take away all these tales, and please sustain me if you can from my blasphemy in the wasteland. Jump in the water, jump in with me. Jump from your flight within me. My heart question to answer is why? Someone save me if you will, and take away all your care, and please just save me if you can from my blasphemy in the wasteland. Save me, somebody save me, somebody save me, somebody save me, from the wasteland. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed watching it.